Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this video we will learn what is model in Laravel, and in the previous video we have already learned how to set up the database in Laravel. So in this video we will learn what are the model, how to create the model, and how to use the model in Laravel controller. We will also learn how to create the migration in Laravel, and also we will learn how to show the records using model in Laravel controller. And there are the few conditions when we create the model. So let us see what are the condition. So if our model name is, for example, if our model name is user in singular, then migration should be in plural form, users. And if, for example, if our model name is blog, then the migration name should be in plural, blogs. So let us see how to create the model practically. For that we need to open the project, and this is the Laravel project which we have already created in the previous video, and we have already set up this database in this Laravel project. So now let us open the text editor and let us create the model. For that we need to write the command php artisan make model and the name of the model which you want to give. For example, I want to create the model name blog. Enter. Now you can see model is created successfully. So let us see where is the created model. Open the app. You can see this is the models folder. In the Laravel 8 by default is in the models folder. You can see this is the created blog model. So let us connect this model with migration. So let us create a migration. PHP artisan make migration and the name of the migration blogs. Enter. Now you can see migration is created successfully. So if we want to connect this migration with the model, then we can create in a single database. So let us see how to create the migration and model in a single command. So let us delete first this, and also we will delete the model blog. So let us see how to create the command in how to create the migration and model in a single command. PHP artisan make model and the model name is blog and -m. When we will write -m, then it will create blog and also it will create the migration. So let us enter. Now you can see model is created successfully and also it has created the migration blogs. So let us see. In the models folder you can see blogs model is created, and so let us see the migration. In the migrations you can see the blogs migration is created successfully. So let us update this migration. String, and we will pass the column name. For example, first title, description, and save this. So let us see how to run this migration. Let us see how to run this migration. You can see there is no database. There is no blogs table in the database. You can see. So let us run PHP artisan migrate. Enter. Now you can see migrating blogs table. So let us refresh this table. Now you can see a new blogs table is created, which have title, description. Created and updated. Two tables are by default, which are provided by Laravel. Now you can see these are the three tables which we have in this migration: ID, title and description. With the help of this timestamp, Laravel create by default created at and updated at these two tables. So let us see how to use the models in controller. Let us close this file, open the app HTTP and controller, open the user controller. So first of all, we will import our model in controller. For that we need to import use app models, this folder name models, and your model name. For example, I want use users model / user. So let us use this user model. User all. Save this file. So let us check. We have already created the route for this controller in the previous video. So let us check this one, users and user controller, and the name of the function is index, this one. So let us check this users, enter. Now you can see we are getting two records, ID1 and ID2. We are getting the two records. So in this video we have learned how to create the model, how to create the migration, and also we have learned how to create model and migration in a single command. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.